How to delete a chat in Microsoft Teams. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete a chat in Microsoft Teams. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up a web browser or directly open up Microsoft Teams. So I'll just open up Teams. So let's go here. So as you can see, this is my teams.microsoft.com. Now what you'll need to do here is you'll need to log in into your account first. So log in into your account if you have not. You can easily create an account if you do not have an account. So let me just type in OK, open up my profile, and there we go. Now as you can see, I'm on the chat section. And now if you want to delete a chat, what you'll have to do is just hover over the chat that you want to delete, tap on the three dots, and there you will see different options, and one of them is delete. Simply tap on delete and confirm the deletion. Doing that, you'll have deleted your chat, and there we go. You've just deleted the chat. And you can do that again. Let me discard this draft, and yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.